6 months ago, I had 27 apps on my phone. Today, one AI tool replaced 5 of them, saved me $89 a month, and gave me back 4 hours every single week. Let me show you exactly how. If you are anything like me, you have collected a graveyard of productivity apps. Grammarly for writing, Otter for meetings, Notion for notes, Copy.ai for marketing, Todoist for tasks. Each one is $20 a month, one more login, one more tab. 90% of what they do, one AI tool can do too. Better, and in one place. Here are the 5 swaps, and the exact prompts I use every single day. Swap 1, Grammarly gone. Instead, I use this prompt. Rewrite this for clarity. Keep my voice. Flag anything unclear. Same quality, 0 subscription. Swap 2, Otter gone. I record on my phone, then use this prompt. Summarize action items, decisions, and open questions. Cheaper and more actionable. Swap 3, Notion AI gone. I save my top prompts as custom instructions. Ask anything, get a personalized answer instantly. No wiki to maintain. Swap 4, Copy.ai gone. I built one prompt that captures my brand voice, with 3 examples and tone rules. Tighter copy, no extra tool. Swap 5, my favorite, Todoist gone. Every Sunday, I brain dump my tasks and prompt. Turn this into a weekly plan with 3 priorities per day. It even tells me what to drop. Let's do the math. Grammarly 12, Otter 17, Notion 10, Copy.ai 36, Todoist 4. That is $79 a month, gone. I pay $20 for one tool. That is $59 saved every single month. One honest trade-off. If you are in back-to-back meetings all day, keep a real-time transcriber. For everyone else, delete them. The 12 prompts I use every day are in the free toolkit, link below. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.